There's some whores in this house, for real. I said certified hands. Better ask the fans. Fat and skinny.
Let's get back into the clean with me. So basically right here, I'm just going through the clean and dirty clothes so that I can wash all the dirty clothes and start packing my suitcase. Okay, so this is the reveal now. So we are going to go to the second closet first, and let's open up the closet. All right, so basically what I did in this closet was just kind of declutter all the shelves and stuff like that, and the floors. So I just kind of put all her sprays and like perfumes and stuff inside of here, just so they're not on her dresser. And I put like, you know, stuff that was just sitting out in her room into the closet. And then the stuff at the top shelf is just stuff that she wants to go ship off to Jamaica for her family. So here's another look at the closet. It looks way better than it was. Of course, I can't do, you know, too much because she ain't gonna let me do all that. So now we're gonna go off to the first closet that I did. So here we are at the first closet. Let me move this. Okay. And now this top part is more stuff she needs to send to Jamaica. This other shelf is stuff like things that she doesn't want to get rid of, but I just wanted to put them away inside her bags and stuff. And then we have like, this is more storage where there's a bunch of bins in there and stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If she lets me, I'll most definitely even do a deeper decluttering where I get rid of all that shoot, because she don't want it, she don't need it. Okay, so this is her dresser, and I'm all bouncy, y'all. I'm sorry. Don't mind me in the camera looking all big and shit. But yeah, this is her dresser. I finally cleaned it off. I just did a little design there just because that's the stuff that she wants on her dresser. And this is the overall room. The bed is a mess because Milani and I are getting ready for bed. It is about 4 in the morning. So this is the area where all that other junk is. I put all her pictures up there. This is my suitcase. It is 4 in the morning on the day that we are leaving. So I'm just getting my suitcase ready. And this is how my suitcase is looking. So onward from my suitcase, I just have her little thing right there. That's going to move. So this is the armoire. And we're going to open it up. And the things in here were fixed way neater. My mom was in here picking stuff out, you know, because like I said, she don't stay here, so she'll come get some of her clothes and then she'll leave or whatever. But yeah, look at her messing up my work. So this box right here is stuff that she has to go through. This is all the mail and everything. I do have my hair dried there, but don't worry about that. But that's just mail and stuff that she has to go through. And I cleaned off the end table and all that. But I hope you guys like this clean with me. I am in a rush trying to show you guys this video, so it is kind of scattered, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. Thank you.
This tea, bitch, we all sip. Your husband, bitch, he dipped that house. You did not flip. YouTube need to get hit one sneeze. Yo, shirt.